Hello, Mr. Geislard here, and this is question 19 off the Unit 4 target packet. It says a scuba diver has a rope connecting the dive boat to an anchor on the ocean floor. The rope is 12 feet long. The water is 8 feet deep. How far is the anchor from the point directly below the boat? So the first thing I want to do is draw a little diagram here. So I'm going to start with my boat, and then we're on the ocean. Then we have an anchor tied to the bottom, and that's on the bottom of the ocean down here. Now, I know that how deep it is directly below the boat, and we're going to say that that makes a 90-degree angle. So let's fill in the information that we need. I know the rope, which is right here, is a total of 12 feet long. I know the water is 8 feet deep. So what I need to do is find the distance between the spot directly under the boat and where the anchor is. And because we have two sides of a right triangle, this is a Pythagorean theorem question. So I'm going to do x plus 8 squared is equal to 12 squared. So x squared plus 64 is equal to 144. If I subtract 64, I get that x squared is equal to 80. Do the square root, and you get that x is equal to 8.94. And that's going to be the answer there.